Let's watch this video. Some few minutes. Let's watch this video.
7 goals. PSG, I am expecting nothing less than 7 goals from you. I am expecting nothing less than 7 goals from you. Dembele, I am expecting nothing less than 2 goals from you. Hakimi, I am expecting nothing less than 3 goals from you. Ruiz, I am expecting nothing less than 4 goals from you. Bakola, you can score goal. Vitina, you can score. All of you, Nunes Mendes, you can score. All of you can do it. I am rooting for you. Please spell Chelsea Football Club today. Please, I am expecting nothing less.
A few moments later.
After all the things, after all the expectations, I never thought the PSG would be this embarrassed. Even Chelsea fans were never so sure of themselves. I was so sure of PSG. I was so sure of PSG. What did they do to me? What did they do to me? I was even thinking, Jesus. I was so sure of PSG winning, honestly. And look at At this point, I think I'm going to just give up on football. Yes.